lightning pot. So
Use its own electric here because look at this, guys. Look.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually, it's something that moves.
guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? Oh, it's a very beautiful morning. Today is Monday. I just finished dropping the kids and I finished my exercise. As you saw me, it's a struggle with me and Daisy. The birds are chirping. I'm just outside here. Yes, this is the beauty of the nature, you guys. Yeah, it's been raining since yesterday night. It rained, and I want to show you guys what happened at our yard, what this gusty wind did to our fence. So this is it. This is what the wind did. It pushed down the fence from here all the way till there, so you can see it feels like we have a big yard, but it's just our neighbor's hand. See, it's not only that it pushed it down, the wind was so massive that some of these branches, they fell on the yard. I have to take it out, and yeah, some of the branches, they fell and we have to take it out and put it in the trash. So yeah, this is my garden, what it did to my little garden. I planted some bitter leaf over there, but this wind pushed down the fence and it fell, and it didn't fall. So these parts were just falling off. It's just falling off. And this is my tomatoes. So yeah, this is what it looks like right now. Yeah? On the back, what could tell me? His slippers. His slippers. So see how the fence fell. Okay, and maybe let me get Easy. So Easy is crying. I had to go get her. So yeah, this is us outside here. Yes, baby. You are outside. You are just crying. Why are you crying? Can you say, Mama, Mama, say your Mama. Mama sang. Yes. Yes, yes. They got not agree. She's just looking at me. But you guys, this is it. See how it looks like? So just showing you guys. Because I'm holding Ezichi, so I don't know if I could get something that she was crying. So yeah, we came out here. Let me show you guys. What is it? Oh, yeah, that's it. So guys, I'm here. I just finished taking my shower and Ezichi is sleeping. So I came down here to see if I can do one or two things before she wakes up. And yeah. So guys, this is let me move it a little bit more. Okay, so this is what the mic looks like. It's called Dual Pros for USB-C and Lightning port. So it's a mini mic pro. I got it from Amazon yesterday. I already opened it to make sure it's what I ordered. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And this is the mic. Yeah, it came in twos and it has extra foam and clip. So I think this is the USB charger. I changed my phone. So the battery, not the battery, the microphone that I got last time, I didn't even use it because the microphone is not for iPhone 16. So that one is, I think, for iPhone 12 also. So this is how it comes. So I'm gonna clip this and then turn this on and see if there's any difference. Let's see. Let's try it. Let's try it right now. You guys are gonna be the judge because I'm not noticing any difference, but I'm just trying to see if there's any difference in the quality in the audio in my voice. So yeah, let me know in the comment section what do you think about this mic. Does it sound better? I hope that the audio is good. That everything in Nebuna by end of this video. So yeah, this is it, and I have to look for somewhere to clip this. To use its own electric car because I don't have to fuel it. My car has gas, but I just feel like there's no need of me using it when I have electric car that is not in use in the house. Is it not better that I use it? Good for me. So let me reposition my camera. It's so cold out here. Okay, let me get my phone. I can't leave my phone, right? We that are vloggers I want to capture everything, but still at the same time, it's the beauty of vlogging. So yeah, hey God, oh, it's so cold outside. Thank you, Jesus. But anyhow, let's go to the store, okay? Look at this, ZIKKIE'S. And it's a snack storage for babies. This is good. I think I'm gonna get one. Feeding. Yeah, 8. Just came out from dollar store right now. So I'm heading to the car. Sometimes when you go to dollar store, you feel like everything is just $1, right? You end up buying things that you didn't even plan. The things that I got right now, I didn't plan buying it, but I feel like Ezichi needs that. So yeah, um, let's go to Walmart from here and buy the major thing that brought me out from the house for Christmas. Look at this. Look, guys, this is not why I'm here. This is not why I'm here, baby. This is not why we are here. This is not why we are here. This is not why we are here. Show them your teeth. Show them your teeth. This is not why we are here. Look at that. Did you see that teeth? Let me see. Show us your teeth. This is not why we're here. Guys, look. Akwefucha ihe ọ dịghị ka ọ ga-emukwu nwa ọzọ. Look at so pretty. Look at this. You're so pretty, mom. So I want to grab the avocado and I need one that I'll eat just today. I will grab some, but This one is soft. I just gave her this cookie because she was crying. And I quite so your type biscuit. Cuckoo. 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 Okay, let's eat. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. It was eating me one. It's okay. It's okay. What happened? Dun. Yum 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 yum. Yummy 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 yum. Yummy. It's so good. Is it good? Sorry. So guys, I ended up doing voiceover because ADT was watching a favorite TV show. So I got this lighter. A few days ago, our power has been going out because of the wind. So I said, let me make sure I have my lighter. I also got old-fashioned oats. I bought some, onions. This is a baby snack container. It's so cute. So I decided to get one. It sold for $1.25. I also bought this spoon because I have baby spoon, but they are so big for EZG. So I got this one for her as well. So it's also sold for $1.25. And also I got this baby spinach as vegetable, and then I bought some potatoes as well. So yeah, I got this sponge to wash the baby's bottle, and then what again? I got Nutella. You guys, we went to my friend's house. The way my daughter Chimoma is eating bread, she haven't eat bread in the house, but they gave her Nutella and this bread. She enjoyed it. I said, okay, let me buy it for her so that she can eat bread at home. So I also got chicken leg quarters. So these are the few things I got from Walmart.